This is second facade that we are going to redesign, and this is Tom, the cat following us around. The color of this building is black. I want to change it and I want to make it brighter. Moreover, let's add some creativity plus details. I start off by drawing the base form of my building. At the first point, we should know where the stair box, entrance openings and the garage door are, and get to know the status of our facade's elements. One of the parts of the designing process that brings me satisfaction is taking a deep dive into details and paying attention to tiny parts. For example, considering these little openings on my stair box in the middle of a face made of bricks lets us to bring light into the stair box. And due to my devotion to have vegetation on a facade, I put 2 flower boxes down here. Then I start to draw some small decoratives at the top and bottom of these windows down here. The next thing, I choose vertical wooden louvers to cover my doors. Then I add some black metal flashings to lower part of my windows. I won't forget about the main material of my facade, which is brick, so I draw them too. I put some small square bricks among them to make a change in each row's look. Then I add the window profiles. For the top part of my building, I choose to have wooden louvers. Now it's time to make our design colorful in order to show how it will look like at the end. So I start by coloring my flower boxes and windows, and then I go for the vegetation, and then I go for wooden doors. Now for the bricks part, I ran out of markers, so I use this awesome color pencil. Now for a new level of detail, I add some classic elements for the fences over the windows. And now let's add a black color for these parts. And at the end, I write down the names of my materials that I thought of. So now let's see the final result.